Hi Blooms! May announcement kami!
Narinig na kayo ni Tita Surf! The Surf X Mini exclusive photo cards will be available on select stores nationwide!
Woo! So tingnan mo sino nakuha mo.
I think it's you. Na-feel ko lang.
I think it's also you.
Oh.
Hindi pa kita nabubunot sa photo card.
Anyway.
Oo.
So, as you can see, ang cute ng packaging niya. It's gradient. Light pink to dark pink.
Let's open it.
Open it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ate Aya!
Ay! Akin yung girl! O-date ako.
Tapos may ano siya.
3 times haba mo. Tayo nakatingin tayo sa taas. Our most flowerful bango.
Guys, super limited lang talaga ito. So, get yours na!
Get yours! So, Blooms, check nyo lang yung caption nito or just check the Surf PH official pages para makita nyo yung full mechanics, okay?
Mag-stock up na kayo ng panlaban nyo. Matutuwa yung mga magulang nyo, Blooms.
Yes!
Bili na ng Surf Hack